Now this one here is the best one on paper for towing and in the real world as well. American pickups are becoming more popular on Aussie roads. Why are people choosing these expensive big American pickups when they could choose the likes of, say, a Y62 Patrol, a Cruiser Ute, a 200 series, or of course a 300? The main reason is because these American trucks can tow a lot more load. You see, all the Landcruisers and Patrols can tow a maximum of 3.5 tonne, yet these American rigs can tow a lot more. You see, they're better designed as tow vehicles. They're bigger, they're heavier, they sort of dictate the tow load more than the tow load dictating the vehicle, if that makes sense. They have big brakes, they also have tow functions. It's been inbuilt in these vehicles to tow, and that's exactly what they're for and why they're becoming so popular. There's a little bit of a misconception around their maximum towing load and what you can legally tow, because at the end of the day, if you start to add the payload onto these vehicles, carry any sort of weight, whether that be a bull bar, a canopy, some camping gear in the back, you're going to start to reduce the amount that you can tow, with the exception of the Ford F-150. Now this one here is the best one on paper for towing and in the real world as well. You can tow a maximum of 4.5 tonne, the big Ford Lariat. The cool thing about this one is when you do hit your payload, it doesn't affect your maximum towing. So you can carry your full payload of over 700 kilos on this vehicle and also tow 4.5 tonne. If you're in the market of one of these because you really want to tow heavy weights, make sure you pay special attention to the GCM and also how much payload you can have in each vehicle, because you'll find, with the exception of course of the Ford, the other two will reduce significantly the brake towing capacity if you start to add payload to the vehicle, which most of us do. Summing up the 1500 range, the F-150 wins on paper for being able to carry its full payload and still tow 4.5 tonnes. Followed up by the Ram and then the Chevy.